Okay, so this is my very first time doing a screencast video. Please bear with me, I'm still learning how it works. I understand that there has been some confusion on where they go for science, so I wanted to try to help with that. When you log in to Google Classrooms, they will see all of the classrooms that they are in. Some of you are in a lot of classrooms, some of you have a few classrooms. They should definitely have, every student should see one for Mr. Cowan, one for Miss Wells, and one for Mrs. Martin. My Google Classroom is the one over here. It says Mrs. Martin Online. You can see a magnet here, it's blue. This is where they need to go to be looking into Mrs. Martin's classroom. If they are not able to see this Google Classroom, that means that they have not logged into my classroom before, maybe. So you will click this plus sign to add a class, and you click join class. My Google Classroom code is HRLL224. Then they will click join. This will only work if they have already signed in with their Irving ISD information. That is kind of a safety for us. That way we don't have people we don't know joining this class. There are no adults in the class that are not affiliated with Irving ISD. So this is just for students. If you're trying to use your personal work email or anything like that, it will not work. It has to be done through their student email address for safety. And they would click join. I'm going to click cancel because I don't need to join this class. When you are in my classroom, this is what it should look like. Every day I post the Google Slides for the whole week, and I also post the video of the day. Now these slides were posted on Monday, but I still repost them every single day. That way they're easy to get to. If they click on the slides, which they should be doing, again, every single day, they should be spending about an hour every day on science. An hour, about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour on science, 45 minutes to an hour with math, 45 minutes to an hour in ELAR. So about 3 hours a day, your students should be doing schoolwork. That's kind of what we are allotting and giving assignments for them to be doing. I'm going to go ahead and press present. And again, this is my title. This is for this week. I'm just going to look at Monday because it's easier. Every slide, there's a slide per day. I'll just kind of click through really quickly. Go back to Monday. Every day I give you the link for the Elliott Broadcast Morning Show. If you click that, it takes you to YouTube where you can watch the morning show. I'm going to go back to my slides. Then I also give you on every slide a link to my YouTube channel. When you go to my YouTube channel, you can see all the videos that I post, so you can go back and watch any of them. Some are agendas, some are content, some are just funny, just to bring you some joy. Then I give you the link for the day's YouTube video. So this would be the YouTube video. The YouTube video from Monday is here. You might have to bring it back to the beginning. Anyways. Then it gives you the hand motions video.
Hand motions for slow changes on Earth's surface.
That you can click
There
on.
are 3.
You want to make sure that your student is doing hand motions every single day. And again, I post one on every slide. There are hand motions. Then step 4, it tells you what assignments in STEM scopes they need to be doing that day. If your student has not been logging into STEM scopes, they might have quite a few that they haven't done that they need to catch up on. But for Monday, these were the assignments in STEM scopes. So I'm going to exit here, exit the presentation, and I can see up here which students are currently logged in. So that's another way that I can kind of keep track. I'm going to go back to my classroom. So again, I post the slides every day. I also post the video for the day. And if I were to scroll down, I also have communication. We have class discussions in here every day, where I can communicate back and forth with students. They can add comments here. They can ask me questions, like, Mrs. Martin, I need help, or whatever they wanted to do. If they wanted to ask me a question here, I respond. I'm not going to scroll down because you can see their students' names, and I don't really want to show that. Okay, so how to get to STEMscopes. They need to sign in through Clever. Clever is the same place that they go to get onto Education Galaxy, to get into BrainPop. This is the same place. They log in through Irving ISD and go to Clever. Mine looks different because I am on the teacher side of things, but you would find this little logo that says STEMscopes inside of Clever. If you're not seeing it, you might have to search for it. You could search for it and it should pop up. STEMscopes. It is an awesome science website, great content. That's why we want to use it. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on, you would click onto STEMscopes and it would show your students' information, any assignments that are in there that they have not done. I'm going to click over here. Mine looks different because I'm on the teacher side, but again, I can see all of the assignments here. If I click on an individual assignment, it shows me which students have done it, which students have not done it. I don't want to click on that because, again, it would be student information I don't want to show. It also tells me how long your students have worked on the assignment. So if they are doing something and they get like let's say they got a 20 on it, and it shows me that they only spent 60 seconds on the assignment, that gives me a pretty good idea that they are speeding through, and I can resubmit that to them and ask them to do that over. So whenever you log in, any assignments that are there because they have not done them. Once they do the assignment, it will disappear. So again, my Google Classroom is where they will see videos, discussions, agendas, hand motions in the slides. My Google Classroom is very important, but all of the work, the assignments that they need to do, are actually over here in STEMscopes, that they sign in through Clever, they go to STEMscopes, and it'll look something similar to this, not exactly because I have the teacher side of things. I hope this is helpful. If you have questions, please let me know. I am here for you. Class Dojo, phone calls, email, Google Classroom, however is easiest for you to reach out to me, I'm here. I can also talk to you after school hours. If you are working during the day, just let me know and I will do my very best to help. Thank you.